Hello students, welcome to the class 3rd subject maths. Today we are going to start a new unit 3 Roman numerals. Roman numerals. We use numerals to write number. Usually we use the numerals like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. But sometimes we use Roman numerals like I and V. Sometimes we use Roman numerals like I and V. You might have been seen these on clock faces or on the sign outside of a classroom. Look at this picture. You can see this picture. Outside the classroom you can see this sign. Class 3rd. Okay. The Roman used 7 letters as numerals. The Romans used 7 letters as numerals. These numerals and their values are given below. Numerals and their values are given below. Let's see. Roman numerals. I. What is the value of I? 1. The value of I is 1. What is the V? What is the value of V? 5. X. What is the value of X? 10. What is L? What is the value of L? 50. C. What is the value of C? 100. D. What is the value of D? 500. M. What is the value of M? 1000. So, 1 is, what is the Roman number of 1? I, 5V, 10X, 50L, 100C, 500D, 1000 To form numbers with these numerals, you have to follow certain rules. To form numbers with these numerals, you have to follow certain rules. To form larger numbers like I, X, C and M. I mean I, what is the place value of I? 1, X, 10, C, 100 and M, 1000. Can be repeated up to 3 times. Repeated up to 3 times. The number formed is their sum. The number formed is their sum. I. Repeated. I is repeated here. So I means 1. I means 1. 1 plus 1, 2. I plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. X. Double X. XX. 10X. The value of X is 10. 10 plus 10, 20. C. What is the value of C? 100. 100 plus 100, 200. I. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. I. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. X. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. C. 100 plus 100 is equal to 200. Students, remember that do not repeat V, L and D. V, L and D cannot repeated. V, L and D cannot repeated. The value of V is 5. The value of D is 500 and the value of L is 50, cannot be repeated. A smaller numeral gets added to the greatest numeral on its left. A smaller numeral gets added to the greater numeral on its left. V is greater than I, no? What is the value of V? 5. 5 is greater than 1. So, smaller numerals get added to the greater number on its left. V means 5. I means 1. 5 plus 1, 6. VI. 5 plus 1 plus 1, 7. V I 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 8. X 10 I 1 10 plus 1 11. X means 10, V means 5, 10 plus 5 15. X I X 10 1 1. 10 plus 10 20 plus 1 21 plus 1 22. We can 4 is IV, not 4 times I. 4 is IV, not 4 times I. Okay. A smaller numerals get subtracted from the greater numeral on its right. Smaller number gets added to the greater numeral on its left, but smaller number gets subtracted from the greater number on its right. IV 5 minus 1 4. 5 minus 1 4. X 10 minus 1 9. L 50 minus 10 40. V minus I 5 minus 1. XI 10 minus 1. LX XL 50 minus 10 40. Okay. A smaller numeral between two greater numerals gets subtracted from the numeral on its right. A smaller numeral smaller I smaller than X and V is smaller numeral between two greater number gets subtracted from the numeral on its right. Gets subtracted from the numeral on its right. X means 10. I means 1, V means 5. 5 minus 1, 4. Get subtracted from the right. 5 minus 1, 4. 10 minus 10 plus 5 minus 1. First add two greater number, then subtract smaller number. X plus V, 10 plus 5, 15 minus 1, 14. X plus X means 10 plus 10 20 minus 1 19. See how these rules are used in writing 1 to 20. 1 to 20. I 1, double I 2, double I 3, IV 4, V 5, VI 6, VII 7, VII V triple time I 8, IX 9, because X is the 10 is the value of X. What is the value of X? 10. 10 minus 1 9. X 10. X plus I 10 plus 1 11. X plus I X plus 1 10 plus 1 plus 1 10 plus 1 11 plus 1 12. 10 plus I 10 11 12 13. 10 5 15 minus 1 14. 10 5 15. X V I 10 5 15 1 16. X 10 V 5 I 2 10 5 15 16 17. 10 5 15 16 17 18. 10 10 20 minus 1 19. 10 10 20. This is the value of I. The value is written here. The rules are used in writing 1 to 20 in Roman numbers. The rules are used in writing 1 to 20 in Roman numbers. Let's do some exercise. Write the numbers shown by the Roman numerals. What is the value of I? 1. What is the value of V? 5. What is the value of X? 10. What is the value of L? 50. What is the value of C? 100. What is the value of D? 500. And what is the value of M? 1000. Next, I, 2I, 1 plus 1, 2. I, triple time I. So, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. X, the value of X is 10 plus 10, 20. X, triple X, the value of X is 10, 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. C, the value of C is 100. 100 plus 100, 200. C, the value of C is 100. So 100 plus 100 plus 100, 300. V, 5 minus I, V, 5 minus I. 5 minus 1, 4. X, value of X is 10. 10 minus 1, 9. 10, 5, 15 minus 1, 14. 10, 20 minus 1, 20 minus 1, 19. Because between two greater number, smaller number is always subtracted. 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 15. 25. 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 minus 1, 24. 10, 20 plus 10, 30. 30 minus 1, 29. Next, write using Roman numerals. 3. The Roman numerals of 3 is 1, 2, 3. The Roman numeral of 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is 1, 2, 9. The Roman number of 10 is X, and X 10 minus 1, 9. The Roman number of 10 is X. 11, 10, 1, 11. 15, 10, 5, 15. XV, 10 and 5, 15. 13, 10, 11, 12, 13. 16, 10, 5, 1. 10, 5, 15 plus 1, 16. 7, 5, 6, 7. 5, V, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 14, 10, 5, 15 minus 1, 14. 10, 5, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 10, 20 minus 1, 19. 12, 10, 11, 12. 6, 10, sorry. The value of 5 is V and I, 6. 17, 10, 5, 15, 16, 17. 10, 20. Okay, understood? Write 1 to 20 using Roman numerals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 minus 1, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this is the Roman number of 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Look, we in this clock there are Roman number are using 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What is the time right now? 2, 1, 2. Their long hand is at 12 and the short hand is at 2. The time is 2 o'clock. Long hand is at 12 and the short hand is at 8. So the time is 8 o'clock. Long hand is at 6 and the short hand is between 3 and 4. Then the time is 3:30. Long hand is at 6 and the short hand is between 10 and 11. So the time is 10:30. Long hand is at 6 and the time is the short hand is between 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Then the time is 4:30. Okay, understood? So this is the way of using Roman numbers. Students, please understand it again and write it in your copy from 1 to 20 using Roman numbers. Thank you, class.